Hi, I'm CJ and this is my RC hobby. Today I'm unbagging the FlySky USB data cable offered by Hobby Unlimited, item number FLY-AC-5655. This cable will allow you to safely update your transmitter's firmware, either with factory updates or with third-party firmware that will upgrade the i6 to 10 channels. This is a process you will want to do more than once as new versions of the firmware are released, so it's worth having a reliable cable. I just Googled the phrase FlySky USB cable FLY-AC-5655 and found several places to purchase it at prices ranging from $9.99 on Amazon to $7.19 on eBay, both with free shipping. There are tutorials that show you how to cobble together interface cables. Don't risk burning out or bricking your transmitter or even damaging your PC by trying to cobble together a cable or by sticking bits of wire into the port on the rear of your radio. Be aware, this cable will not allow you to interface your i6 with simulator software such as Horizon Hobby's Real Flight 8. The cable I'm showing is only for updating firmware. A completely different cable is needed for sims, and even then it's a sloppy hack. I am very experienced with soldering and creating custom cables, and I tried several of the solutions on YouTube with poor and intermittent results, particularly with the cables that connect through the PC's audio input. You're just not getting a good signal and the controls are glitchy, to say the least. I did find a cable online with a USB dongle that was able to get almost acceptable results. If by acceptable you mean that every time you connect and load the simulator software, you have to reconfigure the control inputs for the transmitter, and I mean every control. Here's my recommendation. Don't waste your time and money if you want to use Real Flight 8. Buy a compatible radio, or buy the RF8 version that comes with the Interlink X controller, which is basically a game controller that looks like an RC transmitter. It will work right out of the box, and you won't have to tinker and hassle with cables that will never yield satisfying results. The RF8 software costs $100. With the controller, it's $180. If you have a Spectrum radio, the wireless dongle is still going to cost you $40. The Interlink X controller is no longer sold separately. I couldn't even find them on eBay, so be sure you don't need that controller before you buy just the software. Anyway, I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have an i6 transmitter, this is definitely the item that you want. Please click like. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have already subscribed and haven't clicked the bell icon, please do. That way you'll get updates on every time I put up a new video. Thanks for watching.